Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In PHP, arrays are a crucial data structure, and PHP provides a wide array of functions to manipulate them. Below, I'll cover some fundamental array functions, along with examples in the context of Laravel, a popular PHP framework. Common PHP array functions. 1. Array_push. Adds one or more elements to the end of an array. 2. Array_pop. Removes the last element from an array and returns it. 3. Array_shift. Removes the first element from an array. 4. Array_unshift. Adds one or more elements to the beginning of an array. 5. Array_map. Applies a callback function to the elements of the given arrays. 6. Array_filter. Filters elements of an array using a callback function. 7. Array_merge. Merges one or more arrays. 8. Array_slice. Extracts a slice of the array. Laravel examples. Now, let's see how these functions can be utilized in a Laravel context. 1. Using array_push in a controller. 2. Using array_pop in a service. 3. Using array_shift in a middleware. 4. Using array_unshift in a form request. 5. Using array_map in a resource. 6. Using array_filter in a query scope. 7. Using array_merge in a controller. 8. Using array_slice in a service. Conclusion. These examples illustrate how you can leverage PHP array functions in a Laravel application. They can be effectively used in controllers, services, middleware, and other parts of a Laravel app to manipulate and manage data efficiently. Each function serves a unique purpose, making it easier for developers to handle arrays in a clean and effective manner.